welcome to the Turkey vlog. So it is currently like 7:50 a.m. I've literally just finished packing now. I'm gonna clean my house before I leave. My flight is for 6:25 p.m. this evening, and I'm just gonna like sort my house out before I leave because I want to come back to like a clean space. I'm getting the train at like 12, so I should get to London at about like 2:30. So yeah, I'm just gonna clean my house. Just ordered my Uber and I'm just on the way. Just getting in the lift. Right. Pineapple. The airport outfit, guys. Primark, Shein, and Yeezy, and Gymshark on the socks. So I am currently in the train on my way to Gatwick. Oh, guys, I'm so tired. I've never been this late to the airport. I'm gonna get there just 2 hours before I fly. This is literally the latest I've ever been for any flight. I'm always on time, but I'm just gonna eat now. And so I'll pick this vlog up when I get to the airport. The airport now, I'm just getting on the shuttle to the next terminal, and yeah, I'll catch you guys when I've checked in my bag. I am literally trying not to panic. So I went to the wrong floor to drop my bag because guys, I don't know what's going on with me, but I am just not in the game right now. I'm just really not. And I haven't even pressed the button. And check-in closes in 45 minutes. I've cancelled our flights and we are literally staying at the Sofitel Hotel. And we're just in the lift right now to go upstairs to our room. Currently like 3 a.m. going to 4. We booked us on a new flight for 6:20 a.m. We're literally just in the lounge now and we're gonna get some breakfast before we head out to the flight. Where? There on the pillow. So this is our shuttle for the beach. Just went to the restaurant. 2 out of 10.
I'm going to be famous.
You're gonna be famous, yeah?
Uncle's going to be famous.
Uncle's gonna be famous. Today's day 2. We are literally just chilling by the pool. We just got some waffles and I ended up getting a burger. So yeah, we're just chilling, waiting for some sunbeds to clear up because we want to go in the pool and swim a little bit. It is so warm, like we're swimming. The pool is like, I think the highest length it is 5 foot. So I'm literally standing above it, but I'm going to show you guys what it is. These guys are too fun, let me show you what they're doing. Today is day 3 and we are going waterfalls, we're going to the jet safari. Yes, we're doing a boat ride. What should we like?
My friend. Yes, who speaks English? Can you answer please? Can I see the English speaker, my friend?
gonna have to excuse the scarf because I cannot do a wig today, but we're at the Green Canyon and it just looks so beautiful. I'm gonna show you guys what it looks like.
Thank you very much, everybody. Here is our restaurant. We're stopping here near the 3 hour for lunch boat trip and the swimming break, my friend.
Oh, the colours look so good next to each other. Is currently lunchtime, so we're just waiting to be served. I'm gonna show you guys what they're doing. Say hello. Guys, I don't know what day it is, but we're outside trying to find food, and this man, nice enough to order us kebab when we pay him at his shop. He's actually gone. But yeah, we're in his shop right now. What's the good? So hi guys, it is basically tomorrow's our last full day, but we're going out tonight. We're going out. I'll record on the way out. So we're here. This girl on her vape. But we are finally here. And we're gonna get in and just enjoy ourselves. Apparently this is the best place to go out for nightlife. To the hotel. Today is our last day, and never in a million years would I have thought I'd be happy to leave a holiday. This has just been one big disaster, and I honestly can't wait to get back to London because, child, this is not it. We're gonna go have breakfast now because it's included in our new hotel. We only get breakfast, no lunch or dinner, but that's fine because we're gonna have a big breakfast and then head to the hotel at like 10 p.m. So we have quite a gap to wait for our transfer to come and pick us up. Ugh, guys, this is stress, but I'll move. Guys, if you're gonna choose this hotel, I'm just literally warning you now. especially as a person of colour, because we were just so excited. I feel like we downplayed a lot of things, one of them being the deathly stares as soon as we entered the place. Like, it wasn't just the staff, it was the people that were living there as well, the residents. They were literally looking at us like they've never seen black people before. The language barrier was crazy, food was terrible, rooms had bugs everywhere. I literally felt like Jumanji. I'm literally going to show you guys my review on Google so you can read it and see what I've written about the place. But it was such a horrible experience, and I would not recommend this hotel to anyone. If you're trying to have a good time, don't go to this hotel. If you know me, you know how hard I work and how much I work. So this was just kind of like a break / breather for me. And for them to ruin this experience was so heartbreaking and disheartening, because I just wanted a break. I was literally getting burnt out and I just wanted to relax in the hot weather, nice food. And the hotel just literally ruined my experience. So I definitely don't recommend staying there. We also had a really bad experience with a receptionist called Mehmet, whatever his